All right, looks like we got 14 grid honeycomb light to install, so let's unbox these things. Tie straps, wire nuts. Okay, I got it all set out. Just showing you. Pretty big. This is not the correct configuration of these things and these. I don't know if you can see that or not. But I just put them together just to be able to show you. One of these, you see how this has the screw hole right there? One of them was already broke off as soon as I took it out of the bag. So I'm gonna have to glue it or something, we'll see. I don't know if I'm gonna use these screws holes to mount them or just use these clips, metal clips. It just mounts, the clips just clip on the light right here, like that. You know, obviously once you screw it to the ceiling. So let me get to installing these things. You see this one? This is the ones I'm putting in right now, this one and that one. I already tightened that one up. I'm fixing to tighten this one up. And I'll show you how they connect together in just a minute. How the lights actually connect to the Ys and the corners. And it don't have to be super tight. It's just plastic. All right, I'm going to show you how to hook to the, this is the corner, and this is the Y. You see how it has the screw hole right here? If you look, this is the light side, this is the metal side, because it has a little groove in it right here where you can use those clips. So, and you look here, that's where the light plugs in at right there. And just slides in and connects just like that. You see that? That's a corner. Now I'll take it out and show you a Y. And just remember, when you're hooking these up, when you install these, this is the side with the screw tab that goes to the ceiling, which means the light faces down. This is the metal side. It goes in just like this. You can tell the light side, bulb side I guess you'd call it, or the metal side, because it has that hole in it right there. That's the metal side where the tab goes. See? And that's the Y. Pretty cool, huh? I'm gonna finish installing them. I've already got some installed over there. I'm gonna, over on that side of the garage, I'm gonna come out, and over here I'm gonna come out with some. So after I get done with that, I'll explain more. Okay, I'm over here on this side of the garage now near my toolbox. Just got to tighten some of these up. I'm going to have to tighten a couple and then move the ladder and tighten the rest. All right, just finishing them up. Don't know if I got that one already tight yet or not. I don't think I did. So now let me come down and tell you some information you need to know. Some need to know stuff, right? Okay, I'm going to show you a couple things that you need to know. First up, this here, very thin. Like I said, one of these was already broke. So what I did, and the hardware that comes with it, this is supposed to go in the sheetrock, this little thing. And then this screw goes through either the plastic or the metal clip, and it's supposed to hold. They don't. for whatever reason, I tried a couple of them. As soon as they tightened up, the whole thing, once the screw is tightened up in there, the whole thing just pulled right out of the sheetrock. It did not hold. So let me show you. I used these to start off with. These things are awesome. This is a number 8, and I started out with, I had 20 of them. That tells you how many you gotta have. Number 6 screws, which is smaller, this size screw. I'll show you the difference. Number 8, number 6. See the difference? But I started out with the number 6 that I had, which is made like this. This is a number 8. I ran out of them, so I started using a few of these. Ran out of them, well, almost ran out of them, but I had to go to the store, so I went ahead and picked up some more. Couldn't find these. I don't know if I got them at Lowe's or Home Depot. Apparently I got them at Home Depot because I was at Lowe's. These, couldn't find them at Lowe's, so I just had to get these. These are not that good. Well, they're not as good as these, but it's basically the same thing. You just screw it into the sheetrock. See how it has the threads? And then you screw your screw into here, right? These work good. This is what you have to have, not these that come with the kit. So what you need to do is you need to count how many of these came with the kit. You need to replace them with some good ones because these do not hold. I would not trust. I mean, these lights are really light. There's no weight to them, but I still wouldn't trust that to hold them up. And, you know, a couple of them hit studs, so that's good. All right, well, that's the install of these 14 grid Hexagon garage lights, or lights. You can put them wherever you want. You can put them on the wall. It don't have to be in your garage. You can put them wherever you need light at, right? They are bright. I had to configure them the way I did instead of just a grid like the box shows, because I got an overhead garage door opener. I got an attic door right there, and then I got the over here on both sides. I don't know if you can see it, but right there the strap hanging the rail for the garage door. So I had to go around some of that. Now this grid, if you did it in a grid, I think it's 12 feet by 7 feet or 7.6, something like that. Down there, all over the table and right here over the toolbox is about the only place I had in this garage to mount them in the grid pattern like that it shows on the box. And that means all the light would be over here by my toolbox, no light over there by the table or over there on that side by the air compressor. And if I did it down there by the table, all the light would be down there and there wouldn't be any light back here in the back of the garage by my toolbox and everywhere else. So I had to split it up like that to get around things. They are awesome lights though. They're really bright. They look a lot better than those overhead lights that I had up, those strip lights. Then they had to have the wire showing, going from one light to the other to daisy chain them together. So, and these, they're so bright, but even if you look up at them, it doesn't really blind you and give you little dots on your eyes like those other ones did. So that's going to come in handy. It's going to look a lot better out here while I'm videoing. I didn't pay for these. I thank you very much for sending them to me, which they didn't require me to do a YouTube video. It was just an Amazon video, and I've already done that. So, but I wanted to show it on YouTube a little bit better, longer video, because Amazon videos are short. That's all I got for this video. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.